are many cars that can benefit from drilled and slotted rotors. Even imports. All kinds of cars. And then there's the HHR. I don't know what you think. Why? Why put drilled and slotted rotors on an HHR? Why would you do that? Well, the thing is, this vehicle is built on a Malibu frame, pretty much. It was a good vehicle for a while. I don't think they make them anymore. But it was kind of like the PT Cruiser was built on a neon frame. They built these on something like a Malibu frame, which was a unibody construction. They just kind of like redesigned it a little bit to fit. So it's its own thing, but it started based off the Malibu. The brakes wear out a little faster because it's still like they're pretty much designed almost identical to the Malibus. So, you know what that means. Rotor review. Nah, I'm just playing. I'll let you watch. Alright. Today we are going to be replacing these front disc pads and rotors and lower control arms. There's 2 bolts there. If you look underneath, there's another bolt there. And if you come all the way over to the arm, you need to remove that bolt and that will drop out. The ones I got came with the ball joint, everything already attached. A little easier to put in. Unboxing time, piece boxing time. Here we go. Box number 1. Magic. Yeah. Drilled and slotted rotors. Not bad. That's pretty good. Alright. Box number 2. Ceramic brake pads. All that for that. Just the tiny blocks. Tiny little box. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's some fancy wrapping there. Some instructions here. It says make sure to use plenty of WD-40 all over the disc rotor and the front and back of your new brake pads. Alright, the final box. Top suspension. Top car suspension. Here we go. I didn't know they made Chevy Malibu cop cars. Apparently, you could put this on an HHR. It actually came up when I looked it up for an HHR. This comes from Detroit Axle. I got it from Amazon, but I think I did. Yeah. Wherever fine Detroit Axle products are sold. Yeah. The label up here. Thing. I have no idea what that means. There's a one control arm. The ones that are on there now are aluminum. These are steel. The bad mamma jammers. They come with the joint on, sealed up. rubber bushings. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. See what else we got. Got this new tie rod. Oh, there's a pin in there. I don't want to lose it. Oh, these have fittings on them. That's kind of good sometimes. I gotta make sure not to lose that stuff. So yeah, cop car tie rod. Another cop car tie rod. That's a beefy tie rod. Yeah, we got cop car sway bar links. Some nice fittings on them and stuff. Little part number printed on it, laser etched. You know it's good when they laser etch the part numbers. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not laser. Maybe it's just printed on there. Looks nice though. The bolts are nice and shiny. Alright. Let's put this stuff on. Let's put it together. Let's do this. Don't have to take apart these out of your strut, because we're just going to replace this piece, the rotor, and the pads. That can continue to hang from the strut the whole time, but we also don't have to remove the CV axle. We do have to remove the brake caliper regardless. But these ABS wires can stay put. All this can stay here. As long as you don't move it too far, because it will swing out some without the control arm on it. here. I really hurt the old one. Alright. But you don't want to pry on your CV boot, that's for sure. I didn't know. You didn't tell me that part. I have to take a there it goes. Yeah, work it a little bit. Yeah, it's a little rough in there, a little broken, a little busted up. These were the bushings I was concerned about too. I think the other side's worse. So yeah, tell you what, they feel about the same weight. It's weird, but I know these are aluminum. The ones we're putting in are steel. Other one here goes to this side. A little different. No comparison. A little bit. I say feel about the same in weight. I did miss that inner tie rod. It's not that hard though, guys. You can figure it out. It's pick time. So that means that I am going to show you comparisons here. Look how much beefier those parts are. And they got fittings. But yeah, here's some pictures for you to enjoy. And there's some more stuff on the end of the videos. Don't go anywhere.